Hi everyone, in this video we would like to share to you guys about what the relation between environmental impact assessment with sustainability and development business. In the beginning, I would like to explain to you guys about environmental impact assessment. Environmental impact assessment is a process of predicting and evaluating the environment hazard and impact of a proposed project or development scheme, taking into account correlate socio-economic, culture, and impact due to human activities, both beneficial and adverse effect. Environmental impact assessment is the method of evaluating environmental consequences such as environmental change, construction of dams, reservoirs, roads, rails, bridge, industrial location, urban expansion, and more, and the maximum possible adverse effect of this environmental change due to human activities. In EIA process, there are several steps, such as screening, scoping, collecting of baseline data, impact prediction, mitigation measure and EIA report, public hearing, decision making, monitoring and implementing of an environmental management plan, assessment of alternative and environmental impact assessment report, and risk assessment. So, the correlation between EIA process with sustainability and development business is, as a business person, especially about an industry where industrial waste can harm the environment from water and air pollution, companies or organizations are expected to become agents of the domain, the center of the environmental, by performing function as manager of natural resource based on the environment. Likewise, only company that makes effort to manage environmental based natural resource will have a chance to win this competition in the future. Business is an activity that is related to and has an interest in the environmental. In other words, business is an activity to manage economic resource provided by the environment. In addition, a business cannot be separated from an environmental factor that can support the business goals from being achieved. On the other hand, the business environment is a factor that can affect both directly and indirectly. On the other hand, a business can also influence or create an influence on its environmental. Therefore, the interaction between business and its environmental or vice versa becomes significant for business activity and society, so that business can positively or negatively impact the environment. The business environment is divided into two parts, namely the external environment and the internal environment. Environmental-based oriented are efforts made to meet consumer needs by developing environmentally based products in line with changing public view on how to fulfill their needs better. The era of environmental orientation does not mean that it hampers productivity. Productivity must be in line with effort to reduce greenhouse gas emission, but also reduce the impact of other pollutants such as waste problem and soil pollution. As an effort to maintain a healthy environmental quality, EIA process is to inform decision makers and the public of the ecological consequences of implementing a proposed project. Therefore, the EIA process is essential in developing a business that focuses on an environmental-based orientation. The EIA document itself is a technical tool that identify, predict, and analyze impact on the physical environment, as well as social, cultural, and health impact. If the EIA process is successful, it identifies alternative and mitigation measures to reduce the environmental result of a proposed project. The EIA process also serves an essential producer role in the overall decision-making process by promoting transparency and public involvement. EIA process is really important in part of sustainability and development business. Thank you.